Hiya! Come back again with one Thai word we took today. So I'm going to present you the easy way because maybe you have to carry it around with you also in some case. So this one is a keychain. That is a key, that is a chain. So keychain. In Thai we say พวงกุญแจพวงกุญแจพวงกุญแจ Key is กุญแจ and the chain and like a tie all up together is like make it all together is called พวง so it means พวงกุญแจพวงกุญแจ keychain พวงกุญแจ or in short if you just want to say like กุญแจ they understand it anyway key is กุญแจกุญแจกุญแจ okay just learn a little bit more today and hope you like it and follow my channel thank you very much and see you for the next time bye bye